Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I last posted. I got the flu and I also went to England for my birthday, kind of like a little family vacation, and I'm finally back and I feel so much better. So today I have something fun for you guys. It's like a little swatch video with the new Kat Von D beauty products. She came out with some blushes that look really nice and also some lip creams. So let's get into these swatches. Okay, so first thing I want to talk about is the blush. It's called the Everlasting Blush and this is the shade Poppy. It's really pretty. So it's like an orangey corally color, and I currently do not have any blush on, so I'm gonna put some on right now. I've always wanted a vibrant brush. I've always wanted a vibrant blush like this. So let's see, and I'm using my Kat Von D mirror. That's appropriate. Oh, holy. Okay, so these are pigmented. I always put it on my nose as well. I'm gonna get a little bit more. See how much, go on the brush there, kind of tap off the excess product, and I like to go up with it. Okay, so I can already tell this is gonna be my everyday blush. It's really pigmented and it looks really nice on the skin. It's just a regular matte blush, but I've never had one that's this vibrant, so 10 out of 10 for me. I really like it. I'm gonna do the rest of the swatches on my arm so that you guys can see it, because obviously I can't keep applying blushes on my face, but I love this. Okay, so these are actually soft matte blushes and they're $26 each. This is the shade Honeysuckle. It's very light for me, but I think it would be good on, I do people's makeup sometimes and I think it would be good for fair skin. Right here. Very nice peachy light color. The next shade is called Peony. It's like a very light pink shade. It's a very rosy pink color. I think it would also be cute on lighter skin tones, but I think it'll show up on my skin as well. Next one I have is called Foxglove. Foxglove is definitely more of a mauve tone. It kind of reminds me of the Lolita lipstick. A little bit more pink. Really cute. The more I look at this one, I think it would show up on my skin, but it would definitely pop more on lighter skin tones. Okay, so the next shade is Poppy, which is the one I just put on my face in the beginning of the video. This is how it looks swatched. Super bright, but if you use a light hand, it'll look beautiful. I think even light skin tones could definitely use this, just not too much. It's perfect on my skin tone and definitely would look beautiful on deeper skin tones as well. Okay, so the last shade is called Snapdragon. It's the darkest shade. It's kind of darker mauve. I think I could definitely get away with wearing this just using a very light hand, but it would be beautiful on deep skin tones. And I think it would work really nicely as an eyeshadow as well. If you're too light for this color, you can use it either lightly on your cheeks or on your eyelids. Would be beautiful. Okay, so I just got done swatching the XO Vinyl Lip Creams right here. These are $20 each and they're high shine vinyl lip glosses. So these are kind of like better for you if you like creamier lipsticks, because at least in my experience the matte ones definitely last a long time, but they're not as comfortable. So I love the Kat Von D liquid lipsticks, the ones that dry matte. I feel like they last all day, but my lips get very chapped. I don't drink a lot of water, unfortunately. I should, but I'm very bad at it. So I'll get like that whole butthole lip looking thing where you can see the inside of the lip like while you're talking, and it's not very cute. So I have to definitely put a lot of like lip balm before putting on liquid lipsticks. You can put on just some lip liner and then one of these glosses on top and it'll definitely stay on for a long time, but it won't give you that uncomfortable drying feeling. So if you're not a person that likes liquid lipsticks, you should definitely try these. See how shiny they are, and they're very opaque as well. See, it's loaded up with product, so you don't have to dip back in to get more color payoff, because it has a lot of color payoff already. Okay, so this color is called Blossom. It's like a nude color, pretty peachy nude. This one right here is called Carnation. It's kind of like Lolita, but a little bit more pink and a little bit lighter. So this is Lolita, of course, the OG color that everybody loves. This color is Rosita. It's pretty bright in real life. It's a very bright pink. Usually I don't wear shades like this, but I'm excited to try it on. This is called Tulip. It's a beautiful true red. And then right here, this is Dahlia. I believe they have this one in the liquid lipstick as well, in the matte lipsticks, and it's a very dark chocolatey red. The pink, the red, and the dark red kind of stained my skin a little bit, but the nude colors did not. Just so that you guys know. Okay, so I want to try on some of these shades with a lip liner. I'm currently using Brown Sugar lip liner from Kylie Cosmetics, and now I'm gonna try on Blossom, which is the lightest color. I didn't really think that I was going to like this shade, to be honest, because I thought it was gonna be way too light for me, but it seems like a really nice everyday nude. Like, it goes with my brown eyes today. I would definitely always wear it with lip liner, but if you have fair skin tone, I'm sure this will look really nice as an everyday look. If you hear pause, it's my dog. It's my dog just walking around. It feels very, very comfortable on the lips, and overall I really like this color. So the next shade is Carnation, the pinky color. It's so creamy, like, it's crazy. You don't even have to put a lot. There's still so much on the applicator right now that I did not use. Especially if you have lip liner on, you don't need to put a lot. But this color is definitely beautiful for most skin tones. It reminds me a lot of Lolita, so I'm kind of confused. It looks exactly like Lolita to me, but I guess it has more of a pinkier undertone. Now it's time for Lolita. Of course, still wearing that Kylie lip liner. You can definitely see the difference. Lolita is a lot darker. This is Carnation, the one that I just tried on. Not the same. This one's definitely a lot darker. I think I like Lolita better than Carnation because it's a bit darker, and I think it makes my teeth look really white. But this is definitely like an everyday color for me. I think you can wear this every single day and it'll be very comfortable. When you eat, I feel like it could possibly get a little bit messy, but if you just blob a little bit in the middle of your lip and kind of wear it lightly, I think you should be fine with eating meals. No kissing though, because this will definitely get all over the person you're kissing. Okay, so next we have the shade Rosita, the really, really pink shade. I'm really scared of this. Who knows, maybe I'll like it, but I usually do not like pink lipstick. Again, wearing the same lip liner. Oh god. Okay, so that's how it looks blended with the lip liner. I feel like it makes my teeth look kind of yellow, but if you're into it, it's very pigmented. I don't think I would wear it personally. It's just a little bit too bright for me. I like reds, or can you stop walking around? I like reds and nude colors. I say that and she keeps walking. Yeah, I think it's a really good lipstick, but I'm gonna be very honest, I don't think I would ever wear this color. It doesn't really look that bad. I feel like it's growing on me. Now we're gonna be trying on the shade Tulip, the really beautiful red shade. I'm currently wearing this very dark brown lip liner in BFF4 from ColourPop. I just think these glosses look better with lip liner, so that's the way I'm trying them on in this video. That's just how I usually wear lip glosses anyway. I don't really wear them without a lip liner. Wow, so that's beautiful. I feel like a vampire right now. That is so pretty. You can even wear this with a red lip liner, and I think you'll really like the outcome because it'll be a lot like brighter of a red, but I love this like darker tone red. It's beautiful. With this lip liner, I think it looks a little bit darker, and it makes my teeth look really white, so I love that. I can't believe I'm saying this, but I think the red is like my favorite color out of all of them, and I was not expecting that. I thought Lolita was definitely going to be my favorite, or Blossom, which is the lightest one, but pleasantly surprised by this shade. Okay, and last but not least, we're going to be trying on Dahlia. Again, I'm wearing the BFF4 lip liner from ColourPop. I'm scared. This is so dark. Looks like blood. So I think my favorites are Tulip, Blossom, and Dahlia. These are definitely my favorites right here. These are like perfect for probably any occasion. This is definitely like a night out type of lip, but the red one I think I could wear during the day, and also Blossom is of course perfect for day or night. I would definitely recommend wearing a lip liner for all of these glosses because they're so pigmented, but they're like a little bit slippy and slidey because they're so moisturizing. I feel like these lipsticks are a little bit on the messy side, but if you wear it with a lip liner, I think that'll definitely help your chances of it not getting all over your face. So, or just don't apply too much. I think I may have put a little bit too much on my lips here because the applicator just has so much product on it. So just be careful not to use too much because it is a gloss, so you don't need too much. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please leave suggestions down below. Let me know if you like swatch videos or anything I could do differently in my swatch videos. My next video is gonna be a really simple Valentine's makeup look. I definitely feel like this color is perfect for Valentine's Day, but I didn't have this color when I filmed that video, so it's not in that video. But it's a very simple Valentine's look, and I think you guys are gonna love it. I'll see you very, 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 very soon. Bye.